My name is Veronica, and I'm 49 years old. I'll be 50 this year. I just wanted to tell all you people over 40 who are considering, math, not a big issue, right? Wrong. Okay, so from what I've learned so far, Math 96 drove me nuts. And I thought to myself, could it get worse than this? Could it get insane? It can. Algebra is probably the most insane, craziest thing I've ever seen. Number one, we're working with letters and numbers together. Whose idea was this? Okay? Did they go to a mental institution and say, what would you do for math? And then all of a sudden everybody's going, okay, so let's do letters and numbers mixed and see who doesn't get insane. For me, let's just give an example. Minus 4x plus 3y equals minus 6. I don't know what they're talking about. And I've tried everything. I listen to the teacher. I'm there every day. I don't miss class. I really, really want to learn, And I don't know if it's just because, our brain cells are, just dusty, I was in high school junior year. I still didn't see it. I think it was in senior, which I wasn't there, unfortunately. That's a whole nother story. But anyways, when it came to algebra, I was just like, well, what am I supposed to do? I mean, we got letters, we got numbers, we got confusion here. It doesn't make sense. Now me, I'm wanting to go be a teacher. And I want to tell you, for elementary children, my dear wasn't. But elementary, if this doesn't confuse the children more, when first you're teaching them alphabet, and the next thing you know, you're teaching them numbers, and now you're going to say, okay, let's put them together. No, let's not just put them together. Let's add plus signs and minus signs, and let's really confuse these children, shall we? And that's exactly what we're doing now. Okay, so I get in this class and I'm thinking, how the heck am I going to be a teacher if I myself can't even understand what they're trying to teach me? I feel sorry for the teacher, for the kid, because I'm thinking they're going to have to be rocket scientists by the time they're in high school. I don't care. The other day, they give me these things called graphs, and they're lines. See? These look really close. They're square. It's like a plus, and it's got numbers. And what you do is you put a dot on the numbers that are up there, and then you got to make a line. There's only one problem with this. I don't know if it's just my computer, but I go to put a dot on the line, and it's right there. It's right where it's supposed to be. That's where it's supposed to be. And I push the thingy, and what happens? It moves, and then it stays there. And you got to do this like 1,000 times. And the next thing you know, you're not becoming a teacher. You're becoming a truck driver because you're swearing. No, you don't swear just a little bit. You swear so much that you all of a sudden become someone with Tourette's. That's not bad enough. You see, I'm a religious person. I love God, and I don't like to swear. Okay? This brings this out to me. This brings it out. I swear. Not just that, but I get so stressed out from this math that I gotta drink a beer. Yes. And so, I found out that since I've joined that my drinking has risen to a new level, and my swearing has gone through the roof. And because I'm religious and I love the Lord, every time I catch myself swearing because of this stupid computer that wants to move every time I want to put a dot where it's supposed to be, I say to myself, I can't taste anymore. I swear. And then I drink a beer and I think, even if I drink, is this really going to solve anything? No, because if I can't do this sober, how is alcohol going to solve it? It's not. So if you're, just out there looking, saying, hey, I'm over 40, I want to become somebody, because maybe I didn't become somebody when I was younger. I want to prove to the world that I can do this. Well, let me tell you, if you want to become mentally insane, if you want to become an alcoholic, and if you want to learn what teretz really is, you need Math 98. Math 98 will make you receive everything that you wanted. And so I continue. I go to school every day. I look at the teacher, and of course I'm the oldest one in the class. So everybody's looking at me. I don't ask questions. Why? Because I'm the oldest one in the class, and they're thinking, if I do ask a question, because yeah, I did ask a question one time, and I didn't understand. He showed it to me twice, 3 times. I still didn't understand. All the kids in the class were looking at me like, she's a retard. She is mentally handicapped because she just cannot figure it out 100%. What is wrong with you? That's what they're thinking. Why can she not comprehend this? I'll tell you. It's my brain. I was reading an article the other day because I went to church, and they had this article. And the article said that there is proof that people who are coming into their older years really are smart. The problem is that our minds are like a hard drive. And since I've had almost 50 years of memory input, then my hard drive is full. How do I get an external hard drive? I haven't got a clue. Do I want one? I don't think it's going to solve 15 times 21y equals 7. If it does, I don't know. They say if you get blood from somebody, that you will become that person. And so what I need to do is just get blood from a mathematician, from my teacher maybe. I'll ask him to do a blood transfusion. Maybe he can give me some of his blood, and then it might start to click, and I'll get excited. I won't drink anymore, and I won't swear. It's probably not going to happen, My teacher is a good teacher, but yeah, no, he's not going to give me his blood. So the solution, as I see it, is maybe go on a dating site and find a math teacher. That's crazy, but it's possible that we could do that, and then just be like, I know, yeah, and I like this, I like bowling, and I like go for long walks, and I love math. Can you teach me some of your math? You know what I really love? Algebra. So, hey, if you could totally show me algebra, I would be forever in your debt. But in the real world, you're not going to go on Plenty of Fish and find a math teacher. It's not going to happen that way. So, odds are, you just keep trying. And you swear and you pray and you say, God, please forgive me. I just swore, and blah, blah, blah. And 5 minutes later, you hit that dot and it moves. And then you pray and you say, Lord, please forgive me because I'm swearing and I can't control it. It's like Tourette. So I'll just, I'll do my homework. But anyways, I just want you to know that seriously, if you're over 40 and you're smart and you can do algebra, more power to you. I just think it's really sad when I gotta call my grandson and be like, Nana needs help with homework. Okay? Nana's gonna be 50. They're gonna be 10. And I'm gonna have to call my grandson to say, can you help me with this? Can you help Nana? I know I taught you the alphabet. I know that I taught you to do the numbers. So can you mix them up for me and tell Nana what the answer is? I don't know. For all of you that have grandkids and children with children or whatever, that could be an answer to the solution. If not, I think the best thing really, and I've already Googled it, is to look for a career that does not include math. Unfortunately, the sad thing about this, good people like myself that have a great, personality. I love kids. The sad thing is, I can't become a teacher because I don't know what 35y plus 14 and equals minus 25x. I mean, can you imagine me being in class? Hello, kids. Today we're going to learn graphs, okay? And they'll all have their little pewters, and that's probably what the future holds, I'm guessing. And they'll be on their little pewters, and they'll be looking on their little pewters, and they'll say, okay, we put the dot right here, right, teacher? Yeah, put it right there. You and the teacher knows in her mind that that little dot's going to move. The child can't swear. I think if a child swore in my class, I would understand. I'd be like, okay, well, let's pass this time. And if they do it more than once, I'll just say, you know what? Your child has Tourette's. Let's face this, it's the truth. So, yeah. I'm gonna have to really look for something else. It's a sad thing. It's sad because I would make a good teacher. I am still going to class. I'm praying, that some miraculous thing happens that my grade ends up being at least a C, and then I can pass, and I'll be thankful and pray I never have to use that in real life. Because if I do, they'll have to put a straitjacket on me or something, I'm guessing. So yeah, so if you're over 40 and you say, I want to be somebody, I want to go back to school, and I want to do math, because I love math. And that's what I said. Until I met algebra. Until I met crap. I wanted to be a somebody. So I just like to say to all you rocket scientists or whoever created this lovely thing called algebra, why did you do it? Why? You have ruined so many good teachers out there all because of it. You should slap yourself. Seriously. You just, find something that drives you nuts. Like this did too. So anyways, this is Veronica signing off, saying, if you're over 40 and you seriously want to do algebra, think again. Have a nice day now. God bless.